The digestive system. Food components gradually get digested as food travels through the various compartments. The inner wall of the stomach and the small intestine, various glands associated with the canal such as salivary glands, the liver and the pancreas secretes digestive juices. The digestive juices converts the complex substances of food into smaller ones. And the digestive tract and the associated glands together constitute the digestive system. The different components of the digestive system starts with mouth and buccal cavity. In the mouth, food is taken into the body through the oral cavity. The process of taking food into the body is called as ingestion. We chew the food with teeth and break it down mechanically into small pieces. Mouth has salivary glands which secretes the saliva. Next, food pipe or esophagus. Whatever the swallowed food passes into the food pipe or the esophagus. So food pipe runs along the neck and the chest region. The food is pushed down by the movements of wall of the food pipe. The stomach. Stomach is a thick-walled bag. It's shaped like a flattened J and it is the widest part of the alimentary canal. It receives food from the food pipe at one end and opens into the small intestine at the other end. The inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid, and digestive juices. The mucus protects the lining of the stomach, and the hydrochloric acid kills many bacteria that enters along the food and makes the medium in stomach acidic, which helps the digestive juices to act. The digestive juices break down the protein into simpler substances. Small intestine. The small intestine is highly coiled and it is about 7.5 meters long. It receives secretions from the liver and pancreas. Besides its wall, also secretes juices. The liver is a reddish brown colored gland situated in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side. It is the largest gland in the body. It secretes bile juice that is stored in a sac called gallbladder. The bile plays an important role in digestion of fats. Pancreas is a large cream-colored gland located just below the stomach. The pancreatic juices acts on carbohydrates, fats, and proteins and changes them into simpler forms. The partially digested food now reaches the lower part of the small intestine, where the intestinal juices complete the digestion of components of the food. The carbohydrates get broken into simple sugars such as glucose. Fat gets digested into fatty acids and glycerol. Proteins get digested into amino acids. This is called assimilation. In the cells, glucose breaks down with the help of oxygen into carbon dioxide and water, and energy is released. The food that remains undigested and unabsorbed enters into large intestine. The absorption in the small intestine. The digested food can now pass into our blood vessels in the wall of intestine. This process is called as absorption. The inner wall of the small intestine have thousands of finger-like outgrowths. These are called villi. Each villi has network of thin and small blood vessels close to its surface. The surface of the villi absorbs the digested food materials. The absorbed substances are transported via blood vessels to different organs of the body, where they are used to build complex substances such as proteins required by the body. Large intestine. The large intestine is wider and shorter than small intestine. It is about 1.5 meter in length. Its function is to absorb water, some salts from undigested food material. The remaining waste passes into the rectum and remains there as a semi-solid feces. The fecal matter is removed through anus from time to time. This is called as excretion.